Being from an Italian background, hospitality is in my blood. My mum owned a catering company. So from the age of 10, I was helping her in a kitchen. And from age 15, I was working in a restaurant and then got into a bar not long after that. Today I'm making my Bar Spritz. It's a highball style cocktail, nice and light, refreshing, using a native Australian raspberry to go with a gin that sort of showcases native Australian botanicals. Really sort of focused towards summertime drinking. Light, spritzy, it's got a nice sort of pinky red hue, but really a drink that sort of also has a nice level of complexity so anyone can really enjoy it. It's one of the best feelings you can get, really. We get a lot of customers that don't know what they want, so you've got to be there and you get to suggest a cocktail for them. So when you suggest something and it's exactly what they want and they're really happy, it's one of the best feelings you can have.